So, first off, I know I always loved hearing the story of when the Archons or Harbingers battle in a war and stuff. But I never would have thought a battle in a dance-off would be this interesting and cool. Especially Mavuika. Holy, I love her. I know I gotta draw her. And I also found this Arlecchino design by Boba here, which I don't know why she doesn't get shown in the fan animation video. But I know for sure that her supposed to be design for this video was amazing. For the people that have been following me for a while might notice that I almost always draw Genshin Impact characters in their original outfits, but rarely in their casual fits, right? So here we are, drawing both Mavuika and Arlecchino in a casual fits, or to be exact, streetwear outfits. This time though, I only will be showing you how I did Mavuika, and I will share my thinking process on rendering a simple stomach and overall lining that hits on her body, because the more complex one will be on the Arlecchino painting video. So yeah. Let's set these 3D models from the CSP first using the pose I had in mind, which honestly, I then tried to draw the rest of the proportion based on my knowledge, since currently I'm still practicing on them for some time now. So, first off, the skeletal proportions. Then we fill it up with the character that we're going to draw, which will be Mavuika for this one. Done with the sketch, I always do a base rough lining, so I already had in mind on how I'm going to render according to the light source, which will be from the top left here. Putting on the base colors, and I wanted to make my own net-like texture on this part, so here we go. Drawing one, and then copy and repeat. Then I adjust them using the liquify tool. To be honest, I never draw any ripped type of shirt, so is this ripped enough? Anyway, base colors done, and we're going to go straight into rendering. Have you noticed how beautiful and unique Mavuika's eyes is? I would scold anyone that only realized her eyes now because it's too gorgeous to be ignored. So I enjoy drawing this eye motif, which once that's done, I go into rendering her hair, making sure I got the shapes and hair directions right. It goes here and it goes there. Right now, I'm just using my usual hair rendering technique that I have a tutorial on in another video. You can check that out if you want to understand more on how I paint hair in step by step. As I won't be explaining much anymore in this video, cause in short, what you need is simply a shadow, a highlight, and a reflective light for any rendering, especially hair. Yeah, so I was confused for a sec on how big I need to make her head, cause right now, it feels weird to me, but let's just keep going on for now. Now we head on to her upper body, or I mean chest. I really try to keep in mind that the lighting comes from the top left, so it will hit around here. Although I gotta tell you that sometimes it's okay to go off from the logical placement of this lighting. Of course not entirely, but a tiny bit would still be good. Now I only need to tidy it up and then add highlights to the place that got hit by the light source. And yeah, pretty much it feels enough. Now we only need to add a bit of the dark color on the lower side to give more depth and add an ambient light that got reflected off of the edge of the shirt here. Now we paint the simple belly. Why I call it simple? Because I generally don't need to make any specific shape on the shading compared to the Arlecchino one, which you can watch on my other video. Now, from the base rough lighting we already did at the start, I only need to add the rib line here, the midline here, and then the stomach line a tiny bit. then simply blend it all up using the blur tool. And actually it's enough already, but I just wanted to add a bit more folds on the skin here. And finally, we just need to add shadow that's casted from her ripped shirt. And there we go. We're done with the belly. Easy, right? Now for the pants. It looks like a rather jeans type of pant, which I never really painted before. So let's try it. Honestly, I just tried to put in a lot of creases using a mix of dark gray and light gray here and there by turns, and then add this bright lining on top, and we're done. Same goes for the lower part of her pants, which I didn't record somehow. But I have this short recording from CSP to show a bit of the process quickly. And finally, we draw in the glasses, making that transparent look. And finishing up by drawing the background. This is just a bonus clip because I forgot to press record when I did the whole background. So yeah, here's a close-up process of me drawing the blanks. As always, I love doing it because it's fun to make those details of wood texture, and I somehow just love rendering those brown colors. It feels satisfying when you see the result at the end. And there we go. Here's Mavuika in a streetwear outfit. What do you think? Do you think she looks better on a casual outfit style? Or what do you think would look better on her? Let me know in the comments. And yeah, thank you for watching my Mavuika video. I hope this could be of help to you. Don't forget to like and subscribe because any support would really help me a lot. Thank you. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.